Hello everybody, Mike here at Wilton Auto and Tire Center at 658 Danbury Road in Wilton, Connecticut. We're making a series of how-to videos, going to be on our YouTube page, and also we'll post them on Facebook and Instagram as well. So one of the first things we need to do is help you guys check your tire pressure, okay? A lot of times that pesky little exclamation point is on your dashboard, or it might say TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. A lot of people get annoyed that that light's on, but 90% of the time it's on because you have a tire that's low, okay? So we're gonna go through real simply how to set your tire pressure. So the first thing you wanna do is, on most cars, if not all cars these days, there's a, right on the door panel, is going to be your placard that tells you exactly what the tire pressure should be. And this car is 35 PSI, okay? So we have a beautiful digital tire gauge here. I'm gonna show you how to use it, okay? So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, the default number on here is 32. We're gonna dial it up simply with the tire pressure. One more time, 35. It's annoying, I'm sorry about the annoyance of the air. Take the cap off. Put this on there nice and square. Now look up. It did say 34 for a second. That meant there's 34 pounds in there, and you can hear it beeping once it gets up to 35. This is a great tire machine. If there happen to be too much air in it, it'll actually let it out, okay? Part of the trick is getting this thing on there nice and square so it doesn't let air out and leak, because if it does, then that pressure is not going to be accurate. If your light happened to be on when you drove in, typically by driving, again, most cars, the light's going to go out once it's done. You need to check all four, don't just check one, because that's part of the problem with the lights coming on all the time, because we only put air in one tire. Once a month, check all four. Now, if you need some help to learn how to use this, we're more than happy to, and if you simply don't want to be bothered, we're here Monday through Friday and Saturday half a day, and we'll certainly do it for you. We'd love to. Okay? Wilton Auto and Tire Center.